Hello students, my name is Karanveer. Today we are going to start our exercise 2.3 of third class maths. So in exercise 2.3 there are fill in the blanks. So first we will discuss some rules. Adding 0 to a number. If we add 0 to any number then the answer is itself, means the same number. If we adding 1 to a number then we get just after it or we get the successor of that number. As we already discussed how to write the successor, means plus 1. If we add 10 then the digit in the tens place is changed. If we add 10 to any number then the digit in the ones tens, this tens place digit is changed. If we add 100 then 100 place digit is changed. If we add 1000 then 1000 place digit is changed. So in this way you can solve your exercise 2.3. There are two numbers and equal to this number, but this number is not written, so write here, means equality, equal these numbers. So you can solve this exercise with this method. And the next exercise is exercise 2.4. First question is, a survey report gave the number of males and female in a town. What is the total population? Means number of males and number of females are given. So total population of town is, add these two numbers. And the next question is, desktop computer cost this and laptop cost this. What is the cost of laptop? What is the total cost of both the computers? Means cost of computer is given and also the laptop is given. So the total cost is, add these two numbers. In a factory 1845 garments are made in first month, made in second month, and this one made in third month. Total garments made means, add these three numbers. Made in number of garments made in first month, second month and third month. Add these three numbers, so we get the total number of garments made in the factory. Fourth question is, in the election there were three candidates. They received these 41,256, 31,246 and 9,785 votes. If 784 votes are found invalid, how many votes were polled in all? Means how many votes are polled? Add these four numbers. So you get your answer. Solve this exercise on your notebook. There are only 4 sums in your syllabus. So the next is subtraction. For exercise 2.5, first is 5 minus 0, 5, 8 minus 1, 7, 3 minus 2, 1, 9 minus 3, 6. In this way you can solve your exercise 2.5 on your book. And second part also same. And same in exercise 2.6, subtraction with borrowing. So let's discuss one example. These are two numbers. Arrange the numbers. Start from ones place, as same as addition. Subtract ones. 9 cannot be subtracted from 7. Borrow 110. 110 plus 7 ones, 17 ones. Means 7 become 17. And here is a 6. And it becomes 5. Because 9 cannot be subtracted from 7. That's why we borrow 110 from 6. So it becomes 5 and it becomes 17. 17 minus 9 become 8. Now the 6 is cannot be subtracted from 5. So borrow 100 from 3. So it becomes 15 and it becomes 6. 15 minus 6, 9. So here is 2. Also 8 cannot be subtracted from 2. Borrow from that side. Here is 1 and here it becomes 12. 12 minus 8, 4. Now 7 cannot be subtracted from 1. Borrow 1 from here. 11 minus 7, 4 and 4 minus 3, 1. In this way you can subtract And in this way you can solve your exercise 2.6 first part and second part on your book, and third part and fourth part on your notebook. As the same we discuss in addition, that arrange these numbers 7 1 3 5 6 2 8 7, and by borrowing method you can solve these sums also. So next is exercise 2.7. Only first part is in your syllabus. Fill in the blanks. 0 minus means the number itself. Minus 1, it becomes 86,422. If we minus 1000, then the 1000 place digit is changed. If we minus 1, then the ones place digit is changed. Same as we already discussed the rules. According to that rules, you can solve your first part. So next is exercise 2.8. There are 2,348 workers in factory. 1,494 were men. How many were women? Means total workers are 2,340. In this 1,495 were men. So how many women? Means we have to subtract this, and you get the number of women. Next is Johan had 97,885 with him, and he purchased an old car of 84,395. How much is left with her? Means if he has this money and he purchased a car for this much, how many left? Subtract these two numbers. Third is there are 732 books on science. This one of history, this one of maths, and this one of literature. Which book are greater in number? Means which book? History or maths. Maths book are much in number because these are 1575 and other are less. Which book are least? Means 425. Less books of literature. Find the difference between greater number book and least number book. Means greater number book is this one and least number is this one. Subtract these two numbers. Fourth one is the sum of two numbers is 68,052. One number is this, find the other number. If total number is this, one is given. To get the other number, subtract these two numbers. So in this way you can solve your exercise 2.8. Thank you.